Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing from Beebeecraft. I love getting little parcels from Beebeecraft. Now they always pack them well, they always come really quickly. I haven't had any problems with Beebeecraft. They are so lovely to work with. And you know what? Beebeecraft has a YouTube program where if you have 100 or more subscribers, you can be eligible to do this too. What they do is they give you an amount, you go onto their website, you have a look at their products, you buy something up to that amount, then you unbox it, and then you do 2 make videos. So you're doing 3 videos, and yeah, so pop on Beebeecraft's website and check that out. All the links will be below in my description box. And at checkout, when you go in there, you can get 10% off your products if you put in my coupon code Valita10. Now, also, when you go in Beebeecraft, make sure you make an account. Then you can put all your favorites in the love list, and that makes it really easy to go back and find them. Yeah, I don't know what else I can say, but I really enjoy the products from Beebeecraft. I enjoy looking on there. Like I said, I've had no problems with Beebeecraft at all. All their products have come very timely and yeah, all intact. So let's get in and have a look at this parcel and see what I'm going to be making with some of these products. Alright, my first product is these rolls of Organza Ribbon. Look at them, they are beautiful. Oh gosh, there's lots of yummy stuff in here. Oh wow, they're packed well. Look how many colours you get. They are gorgeous. Oh look, I love this creamy colour. Look how sheer they are and beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh, that's all coming off the roll. Alright, so look at it. Oh, they're just gorgeous. Then you get a purple one. Look at that. Is it violet or purple? Either. Look at the orange. Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. Look, there's a lot on these rolls. I'll have the information below how many meters are on this roll. It looks like you get quite a bit. I just haven't got the information here in front of me at the moment. Look at this yellow. Gorgeous. This beautiful blue. 2 different greens. I love this green. And then you've got a Christmas green. Just beautiful. And then you've got this magenta colour. Beautiful. And a navy blue. Aren't they gorgeous? Absolutely beautiful. I like putting them in sort of colour spectrums. Like that. There you go. Look at all those beautiful ribbons. So that is one of the products that I got this time from Beebeecraft. I'll just sit them all up here for you to look at. So don't forget to look in my description below. Whoops. And all the details will be in there. Now my next product, I've never had a go at diamond painting. So I was checking through their diamond painting bits and pieces, and I found this pack of 2 little purses or cases or whatever you want to call them. And how do I undo this? So you could make one for yourself and give one away as a gift if you wanted to. And obviously you pull that off, and yeah, it's very sticky under there. So when you're ready to put your diamond bits on. Now inside here is all the goodies that you need to make it. Okay, so you get an extra chain for your little purse if you want to put it on a chain. Let me get these bits and pieces out. Okay, so you get an extra chain if that's how, I'll have to untangle it, but if that's how you want to carry it, and a little tassel. That's cute. Right, and then we've got our pack of diamond little diamond bits and pieces, and a little tray, a diamond applicator, and then this is the sticky stuff that you poke on there and, you know, put it on there. So that's what you get in that pack, and there's 2 of them in this pack. So all that information will be down below. I got this size because there's something I want to put in it and use it for. So yeah, that'll look pretty with all the diamonds all over it. So that's the little diamond painting pack. So there's 2 in that. And then lastly, I got 2 different packets of sequins. If I can get the bag open. Now, one bag is blue flower sequins. Look at them. They're beautiful. And they got like a little sheen on them, like a little iridescent sheen. So I'm going to put some of these on my needle roll, my huswife, and that's going to be one of the projects for these sequins. And probably use some beads that I've got from Beebeecraft in the past as well. But to me they look like little wax flowers. That's why I bought them, because the little wax flowers are very similar to that. So I really liked them. And you get a decent amount of sequins in there. And like I said, all the information will be down below, how you know, the weight, I guess, of what the sequin pack is. And my last pack is another pack of sequins, but these are all little leaves. Now, where's my glasses? Because I want to I haven't got my glasses on. Let me put them on and have a real good look. Okay, yep, they've got 2 little holes, a hole in either end of the leaves. And they're really pretty little leaves. So I'm going to put some of them on my huswife as well. And that'll be cool. I'm also going to do something with some of these on my huswife. So they will be the videos that I will have coming up of the sequins and the ribbon. And then I'll have a different video on how to do this little bag with the butterfly and the diamond painting. And it looks like you get the little diamonds in here. They aren't just the usual shape, which I really liked. Like there's all different ones. There's round ones, all different size round ones. And there's little teardrop shaped ones. Then you get these little ones that are an oval shape, like a leaf shape, I guess. So I liked that they weren't just the regular diamond painting, just bead, you know. I liked that they were different shapes, and then you can put the different ones on the butterfly and make it really pretty. So I'm looking forward to doing that. I have never done any diamond painting before, so that's going to be fun. Alright, so that is my unboxing from Beebeecraft for this month, and I'll have to untangle this. I'm not sure whether I'll put the chain on this or not. I'm not sure yet. Oh, looks like that's supposed to be on there. Just depending what I'm going to do with it. I'll just... yeah, a little cute tassel and the chain and all the little bits you need to make it. Alright, so that's my unboxing from Beebeecraft. I hope you'll come back and check that out, my make videos. Yeah, and see what I do with these ribbons. And I think it's gorgeous. I love them. Absolutely gorgeous colours. And the camera doesn't do it justice. They are just beautiful. They shimmer and they're beautiful. Alright, thank you for watching my Beebeecraft unboxing. And don't forget to look at all the links below for all the products you've seen here. Go in, check out all Beebeecraft's. Look, there's on the left hand side, there's a little drop down bar, and you can go into each section of the shop and see all the different bits and pieces that are in there. There's so many things to look at in there. You'll be in there for ages, and I just love looking in there. I think I've got my love list is about 9 pages long of things that I've poked away in there, and so then when it comes to another month, if Beebeecraft wants me to do something, I just go straight to that list and check out what I've put there. And yeah, it saves me scrolling back through all the different sections again. Alright, so don't forget, yeah, check out those links. Don't forget, if you do go into checkout, put my coupon code in, Valita10, and go through my links, because that's all connected to me. And that will give you 10% off your products. And I hope you've enjoyed this little look, and I'll see you really soon for a make on these. Okay, take care, bye.